Today, I'm going to be showcasing a way for you to actually use Claude Code completely for free. For those who do not know what Claude Code is, it's Anthropic's renowned agentic AI coding agent that lives directly inside the terminal. And honestly, I currently rank it as the best AI coding agent available right now. What we're going to be doing is enabling Ollama directly within Claude Code. Not many people know this, but Ollama actually has an Anthropic API compatibility, which means that it allows Claude Code to work with open source models. So you can run models like Minimax, GLM, or other open source large language models directly inside Claude Code completely for free, hosted on your machine. Meaning that you can access all these incredible open source models locally through Claude Code, which is honestly going to be a game changer in development. Now, obviously, the quality may not match the official Claude models directly within Claude Code, but the fact that you can access the capabilities of Claude Code, the agentic capabilities with these models locally and for free is pretty insane. For example, right now I'm running the Qwen 3.5 27B model locally through Ollama, and I connected it directly to Claude Code. And using that local model, I was able to develop this beautiful landing page, which is honestly incredible considering the model is running fully locally and completely open source. This truly opens up a lot of doors for the open source community. But think about it. You can now use all of Claude Code's agentic capabilities with these free models running locally. That means things like scheduled prompts through Ollama, sub agents running tasks in parallel, and built in web search for things like file discovery, code exploration, and research. So essentially, you're getting full agentic development environment capabilities powered by open source models running completely for free. For reference, here are my computer specs. I'm running the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, which easily is capable of running the Qwen 3.5 27B model locally, while still leaving plenty of VRAM available for large code context windows. So you get a very strong intelligence locally while still maintaining massive context for development workflows. So to get started, you're first going to need to understand your computer system requirements, meaning that you will need to understand the requirements that your computer will need to host these models locally. And this is a really great website that I had found. You can use many of these other websites similar to this to understand which GPU would be able to host which model. So, for example, if you have something like, I don't know, the 3090, and you specify the VRAM that you have as well as the required features that you're looking for, it'll tell you exactly which model will run well, which one is a tight fit, and it is going to actually specify the context as well as the speed. And this way, you'll get a better understanding of which model you can run locally. Also, just a quick side note inside my Discord, which is completely free to join, I recently posted a deal for 50% off of a Claude Pro subscription for 3 months. I'm not too sure if the promotion is still active, but if it is, it's honestly a great deal. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored, nor am I affiliated with Anthropic. I'm just sharing useful things to the community. And I'm launching a school community, which I'm going to be posting things like this as well. You can obviously access these sort of things through my Discord, which is completely free for you to access. But it's a small preview of the type of things that I'm going to be sharing inside the school community. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Then what you're going to need to do is head over to the Ollama website, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Click on the download button and then install Ollama locally onto your computer based off of your operating system. Since I have it for Windows, I can click download for Windows. This will install the installer. Then open up the installer once it has been installed. Then you can click on install to continue forward and have Ollama installed onto your operating system. After installing, Ollama's chat interface will open up. And don't worry about this, you can close this, but you can also use this if you're looking to interact and use local models as a chatbot locally. Next is obviously making sure you have Claude Code installed locally. You can install this through the terminal, VS Code. You can even use the desktop app with Ollama models. You have a lot of different options. I personally use it through the terminal. So you can easily install it using these different commands based off your operating system. Since I'm on Windows, I would use the command prompt to prompt to then install it. After Claude Code has been installed, there are a couple of recommendations that Ollama has specified when you're running open source models via Ollama through Claude Code. It is stated that it's recommended to run a model with at least 32K tokens with its context length, and there are a couple of recommended models. I would highly use something like the Qwen 3.5. If you have the resources, use the 27B. But I also believe that the smaller size versions of the Qwen 3.5 is really great. The other quantized versions of the GLM 4.7 are also pretty good. So you have a lot of options by using these two great models locally with Claude Code. And that way you can use all of the features of Claude Code, like the loop feature that just dropped recently. You can automate research tasks. You can have it check upon your PRs. You can use all of the agentic capabilities like plugins, as well as other things within Claude Code now with open source models. Now, what you're going to need to do is open up your command prompt, and I'll leave a link to the integrations doc in the description below. This is where you're going to first need to export or set depending on what your operating system is. If you're on macOS or Linux, you will use the export command, but since I'm on Windows, I'll need to use the set command. So simply copy the first command, which is to set the auth token to Ollama for Anthropic. And that is where once we have pasted this in, then we're going to need to connect the Ollama server. And this is ideally the local host that is going to be running with your Anthropic instance. So we're going to be able to copy this and then paste this into our command prompt and click enter. And then once you have understood the system requirements and know which model runs well for your computer, then you can go ahead and install that Ollama model. And it is super simple. What you got to do is just head over to the model card of whatever model that you're trying to install. In this case, I am looking to install the Qwen 3.5. I can click on whatever model that I want to install, copy that code name, that specific parameter model that you're trying to install, and then add it to the end of the install command. And you can then copy this Ollama run command, and then you can paste this into your command prompt. So you can use the Ollama run Qwen 3.5 for this example, and you are going to be able to then start installing it. And this will take some time because this is 17 gigabytes and it is going to be installing onto my computer. And once it has installed, I can then directly use this model directly with Claude Code, which is just incredible. Then you're going to need to actually restart your command prompt with the Claude instance. But there's a twist to this. You can't just simply use Claude to start up the instance. Otherwise, it's going to use Anthropic models. This is where you're going to need to open up a whole new command prompt and you're going to need to run the Claude Code instance using the Ollama model. So what you got to do is copy the Claude bit, then the model bit, and then add in whatever model card that you had installed specifically. So in this case, I had installed Qwen 3.5 27B. So then I would add that at that last portion. So for my case, it would look like this. And then I can simply click enter and this will open up my Claude Code instance using the Qwen 3.5 27B within Claude Code completely for free, running with Ollama locally. So I'm using the agentic capabilities of Claude Code now, and I can basically work with it to code out anything using my own resources locally, which is just incredible. The ability to use this agentic AI coding agent now completely for free is definitely going to be a game changer. This is where I'm telling it to create a landing page, and it is going to work upon using the thinking process of the Qwen model to develop it. And just like that, we have our Plasma visual landing page that was generated with the Qwen model. And the fact that it's able to use such quality locally with the Claude models and deploying sub agents to generate this landing page is just incredible. And this is what you can truly expect with this combination. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. And that is exactly how you can use Claude Code completely for free using the Ollama Anthropic API compatibility. I'll leave all these links in the description below so that you can get started. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our second channel, join the newsletter, the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you go ahead and turn on notification bells, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.